Hi everyone, this is Mark Webster from vSure, and today we'll be talking about personal liability for company directors and officers where there are illegal workers with the business. So one of the biggest changes when the new legislation came in 2013, the employer sanctions legislation, was that it introduced personal liability for company directors and officers. So how the new offences work is that the company director or officer needs to know that they have staff working illegally, or they could be negligent as to whether the staff had the appropriate work rights. In that case, if the staff are detected as working unlawfully by the Department of Immigration, the company may face fines, but company directors and officers may also face fines themselves in their personal capacity and may even be liable for criminal offences. So who is a company director or officer? Well, it includes the directors, the board. It includes chief executive officers, chief financial officers, and company secretaries. I would say that anybody in senior management should be across this issue and should inform themselves as to what processes and procedures are being employed by the business to check workers. Because arguably, if you haven't, as a leader of the business, put in those systems and processes to ensure that all staff have appropriate visas, you may find yourself personally liable if the business is doing the wrong thing when it comes to illegal workers. How does vSure make your life easy? As a company director and officer, the best thing about vSure is that it is a rigorous process for ensuring that all your staff have appropriate visas. Very easy for your HR department to use, very easy to get all the staff on the system. There are various ways we can do that. We can use CSV files, we can use passport scans, we can even request details via email using our system. Makes it very easy to check everybody who's currently engaged. Single click will do it, and you get a detailed report that identifies any issues. Also, it makes it easy to understand the work rights and visa conditions. And it also means that you'll never miss a visa expiry again, because we'll send reminders through to your staff about visa expiries, and that can be via SMS, email, or calendar invitations. You can also set up an automated schedule so that all your staff are being checked once a month, once a fortnight, once a quarter, whatever your risk appetite is. And again, the report will be sent through via email. Everybody will be on that report, and you'll be able to see any issues with any of your staff in terms of work rights. Also, if you are in a larger business, it's a multi-user application. You can set up each site individually within the system, and you can monitor everything centrally. And that will give you peace of mind that the business is complying with its obligations and that there's no question of personal liability under the legislation. So if you'd like more information about how vSure works, please contact us for a demo. We'd be happy to show you the system, explain how it may be able to help you, and talk about your individual requirements. Looking forward to hearing back from you. I'm Mark Webster from vSure.